Hello, my name is Ryan Beach, and I'm a current senior studying Building Information Modeling, or BIM for short, at the Purdue Polytechnic Institute, with minors in Construction Management and Design and Construction Integration. I've always been drawn to graphic design, mathematics, and video games, and over time, I realized that BIM and construction bring those two interests together. The field allows me to combine visual design, thinking, technical problem solving, and digital modeling to support real-world building execution. My passion comes from seeing how these digital models directly influence how buildings are constructed in the field, improving coordination, efficiency, and safety. My family already had a strong connection to Purdue, which introduced me to the university. But what ultimately solidified my decision was Purdue's reputation for STEM-forward thinking and the hands-on, applied learning environment within the Polytechnic Institute. Since arriving, the access to internships, career fairs, and real-world project experiences has shaped my education into something highly practical and career-focused, allowing me to build both technical and professional skills early in my academic career, before I fully entered the construction industry. I was initially drawn to the BIM program at Purdue Polytechnic because it combines design, construction, and technology into a single workflow, allowing digital ideas to directly influence how projects are built in the real world. So basically, I viewed it as a real-world Minecraft, but with extra steps. Since starting the program, however, my understanding has expanded beyond just architectural modeling to include mechanical or MEP coordination, digital construction planning, and the broader role that BIM plays in improving communication and efficiency throughout the project scope. To me, the Polytechnic Institute stands out not only because of its applied project-based learning approach, but also because of the people who make up the community. Students and professors alike are highly driven and genuinely invested in their work, consistently pushing projects beyond basic requirements to truly excel rather than simply completing them halfway. This culture fosters an environment of calculated creativity where innovation is encouraged but supported by technical knowledge, planning, and real-world application. As a result, many courses are centered on solving real-world industry problems rather than only theoretical assignments, making the learning experience both engaging and directly relevant to future careers. My internship experiences have been especially meaningful to me because they allow me to apply classroom knowledge to real construction projects. Starting in my first semester on campus, working directly with project teams, foremen, and engineers, it helped me understand how coordination decisions are made in BIM models, impacting field operations, reinforcing the importance of accuracy and communication. At the same time, these internship experiences strengthened my performance in the classroom, as the real-world exposure gave me a practical context that allowed me to better understand coursework, concepts, and excel in my project-based assignments. Throughout my time at Purdue, I've been involved in Sigma Lambda Chi, the International Honor Society for Construction Management, which promotes academic excellence, leadership, and professional growth within the construction community, as well as the MCAA, Mechanical Contractors Association of America, where I've engaged with industry professionals and strengthened connections between students in the mechanical construction field. In addition, I participated in the Purdue Spikeball Club, which provides a welcoming and recreational environment that fosters teamwork, community building, and opportunities for students from different majors to connect outside the classroom. Early in my Purdue career, one of my biggest challenges was learning effective time management and finding my academic rhythm. During my first two BIM projects, I often found myself pulling all-nighters to meet deadlines for semester-long projects that I did in one night, which showed me that I needed to develop better planning and workflow habits. Over time, I learned how to break large projects into manageable phases, starting assignments early and organizing my schedule more intentionally. That experience helped me build stronger time management skills, allowing me to perform more consistently and reduce unnecessary stress. This allowed me to approach both coursework and internships with a more professional and disciplined mindset. Looking ahead, I'm excited to continue my building information modeling career after graduation. I'll be returning full-time to HFI Mechanical, where I have spent the past 3 summers as a virtual design and construction engineer. I look forward to applying the skills and experiences I've developed at Purdue for real-world projects, continuing to grow professionally and contributing to innovative, technology-driven construction solutions. I initially joined the Ambassador program for a bit of a selfish reason. I was terrible at public speaking and wanted to challenge myself to improve. However, over my 4 years at Purdue and through meeting so many incredible people, I've come to truly love the invaluable service we provide to prospective students. Sharing my experiences and helping them see how Purdue can support their academic and career goals has become deeply meaningful, and knowing that I'm positively impacting their decisions has made the role incredibly rewarding at the same time. My public speaking has improved dramatically, which has been a great bonus and a personal improvement. My final piece of advice for new ambassadors is to be genuine when sharing your story. Students connect most strongly with authentic experiences, and your honest perspective can make a meaningful difference in helping someone feel confident about choosing their career path. The Polytechnic might not be the right fit for every student, but you are still serving an important role by guiding them to make an informed decision and showing them what's possible when they find the program that aligns with their interests.